Back once again on our Wednesday evening. Quite an interesting day around the region this afternoon. Some saw beautiful blue sky sunshine, others stuck in the clouds, and yet others getting quite a bit of rain in some areas. Again, big region like ours, you get a lot of different weather scenarios sometimes. Taking a look right now, I should say, Fargo, we are seeing a little bit of light rain. Certainly in the last hour and a half, we've seen some of that. Very light rain is coming to an end in most locations. Drier to end the week. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean we're going to see a lot of sunshine. In fact, for our Thursday, we certainly are not, but we're not going to see rain. By the time we get to the weekend, though, the opportunity for showers does increase once again, especially our northern areas. We'll go Fargo North has the best chance of seeing generally light showers late Saturday, early Sunday. And first alerting you to our next week weather system, which can bring rain, potentially some snow showers as well. One thing we're definitely going to see is some colder air moving into the region. Here's a look at our satellite radar. And again, right now, we've got light rain moving for the most part out of the region. By the way, Warroad having a little snow come down right now. Hard to believe that is the case. 43 cloudy in Fargo, northwest wind 13 miles per hour, so it feels like 36 out there. Moorhead at 43 degrees. Current conditions, Grand Forks, a lot of cloud cover, 43 degrees, light wind out of the northwest. I've got temperatures ranging from the upper 30s, low to mid 40s out there. Again, opportunity for showers is decreasing as we head through the evening hours. So here's what we've got for you. Again, rain continues to push off to the east. You see that back line where the clouds are and where the sky is clear. That line's not going to really move. In fact, we're going to see some fog take over in some areas. We're going to call it scattered areas of dense fog tomorrow, patchy fog. And then notice how we backfill with those clouds by tomorrow morning. And tomorrow in general is going to be an overcast, at best mostly cloudy day in those areas. Again, Devil's Lake Basin, James River Valley. Here's what we've got for the next couple of days. Temperatures above the norm for this time of year. In fact, Fargo 49, Friday 50. And with that in mind, our average highs this time of year generally in the 30s at this point, low 40s to mid 30s. And again, a couple of days it's going to be warmer. Take a look at our extended first alert forecast. This takes us into the weekend. This is Saturday afternoon and a Saturday evening. Notice not just rain, but the potential for just a little bit of frozen precipitation as well. Again, these showers are going to be by and large very light and mainly impacting those northern locations. Now next week, storm potential. You may hear a lot of folks talking about, hey, we're going to get some snow next week. Not so fast. Maybe. It's still a week away. We're looking at the track and timing of low pressure. Precipitation type. Will it be rain? Will it be snow? Obviously, temperatures playing a role in that. Confidence too low to highlight any impacts at this point. Of course, we're going to monitor this. It may be within the next 2 or 3 days. It looks like it is developing into a more snowy system. Just not sure that's going to be the case yet right now. Too early to tell. One thing you notice, the temperature trends, look at what happens. We're definitely going to get colder next week. 34 for the high Wednesday, low to mid 30s Thursday right through Sunday. And again, I mentioned this last couple of nights. I think that's really kind of turning a page for us. We've enjoyed these 40s, even some low 50s. That's out of the norm for this time of year. That's going to change next week.
This is probably good. We keep taking these like steps towards winter where we drop 5 or 10 degrees
Right.
and a week and we drop 5 or 10 degrees.
Not falling off the map yet, right?
I appreciate that.
Yes.